My God, no! And I never want to have that experience. It's not that I decide कि अभी मैं नहीं करने वाली हूँ. It's a very interesting story because my mother has told me this. She says, I didn't say, oh, give me a healthy child, intelligent child. Give me a girl and let her have a dimple.
Hello, Amrita. Welcome to Bollywood Live. How are you? How's life treating you?
I am good. Life is good.
And you're all glowy also.
Yeah,
It's
you
so
know, it
good to
should
see
be
you.
life when you're happy.
Yeah. So, first of all, many congratulations for this new project of yours. And I saw the trailer and I was thrilled to see it. So, IC814 it is. Tell us more about the role and also what made you say yes to this.
Anubhav Sinha, the cast, the script.
Stellar.
Anubhav Sinha, Anubhav Sinha, Anubhav Sinha. I'd actually just watched Bheed, I think 2 months before, maybe 2, 3 months before. And I went up to him after the screening to be like, I would love to work with you. And I think he forgot about it or didn't register who I was or the name to that, okay, this is Amrita Puri, the actor. I've seen her in this.
Oh,
And when I got a call from Mukesh Chabra about it, I was like, yes. So that's how it came about.
and what is the role all about? I mean,
The
how is it
role,
on being on the sets?
I play the character of Nandini, who is a journalist, a print journalist, and uh, so all the scenes you see of her are in the newsroom, and
Okay.
the only one that I had scenes with was Dia, and so Dia
Oh,
and I have like this sidetrack running.
yeah.
Um, but it was amazing working with Dia. One, because she's just an amazing woman, super supportive, and
Yes.
she's also a friend. And she's a very good actor. Um, so it was, and then Anubhav Sinha, everything that he lived up to my expectations and more. Working with him was, I remember when I told Dia, I was like, Dia, mujhe ye karna chahiye, nahi karna chahiye. What do you think? Because I hadn't
Hmm.
met her at that point. And she was like, I trust Anubhav so much, and I just have such a great working relationship with him. I still
Hmm.
remember this line. She said, even if he asked me to be a maze, like a table,
Yeah.
I'll do it.
Oh, wow.
That says so much about him.
One on-set memory or takeaways from the following: Nasiruddin sir, Diya, of course, and Vijay Varma, Pankaj Kapoor.
I didn't have any scenes with them except for Dia, like I said,
Yeah,
because we were all shooting very separate zones.
true that.
So, so for instance, Patralekha would have only been in had scenes with whoever was in the plane. Dia and I only had scenes with each other and whoever was in the newsroom. So I wish I had scenes with Nasir ji or Vijay Varma, but no. But with Dia, it was wonderful because she's very giving and she's very oriented towards the scene as a whole. She thinks of everything, and she's also
Mm.
a producer herself, you know.
Oh, yeah.
So she thinks of things from the production angle as well. Um, and I remember there was one scene, and this I remember very clearly, where um it was my first day of shoot, and she's
Mm.
worked with Anubhav for years and years and
Yeah.
years. So they know each other well. But this was the first time that I was working with Anubhav, and I do have anxiety. So I was very anxious to
Yeah.
prove myself and to be like, do well in the scenes. And I was letting that anxiety get the better of me. And then
Mm.
Dia was just like, stop, just breathe. Because, when you start messing up and you get in that zone, it's very easy to go downhill.
Mm.
So she was like,
Right.
just stop, just breathe for like 2 minutes, just breathe and then come back. And that helped me so much. And
Yeah.
there are very few actors that'll do that.
I think all the co-stars they would want themselves to outshine and to do better, but nobody would suggest you. In our field also, I mean, there are people who let you down, and then there
Yeah.
are very few who are very supportive.
Yeah.
So also throughout your journey, we have observed that you choose quality over quantity. So is
Mm.
that true? And because we get to see you in doing amazing roles, but not very often.
Yeah.
So
It's not that I decide कि अभी मैं नहीं करने वाली हूँ, अभी 2 साल का break लेने वाली हूँ. It's a very hard business, and if you want to do work that is fulfilling,
Hmm.
you make certain choices. कि I want to do something that I add value in. I want to work with good directors. I want to be a part of good scripts, and there's a lot of competition also in this business.
Hmm.
So
I
some
know.
of them are active choices, and some of them are also the opportunities that are coming my way.
Yeah. So, is there any manifestations happening? Do you manifest things, or do you believe in all that? Because I've heard a lot of actors saying that, we have manifested this and this happened. So, in this way.
No, yeah, I wish I had the power to manifest things. But no, there's been no such situation where I've manifested things. I've
Yeah.
uh, worked hard and I've stayed true to my craft, and I think I'm still relevant today because of that.
Yeah. So also, we know that you're good friends with Richa also. And how are the
Yes.
new parents in town doing? Does Richa call you up and say, ki, dude, baby ne ye kiya, this happened?
So I'm actually currently in Scotland,
Yeah.
um, and I've been here for the past 6, 7 months or so. So I saw Richa just before, like 2, 3 months before she delivered. But no, it's not that she's calling me up and saying "baby ne ye kiya," but I've been in touch with her on WhatsApp, and it's very overwhelming to be a new parent.
Yeah.
So your time and sleep and energy is very limited. So uh, that the last I heard from her was, or I texted her, was when she had just delivered to check that she's doing okay, and thankfully she's doing very well.
Yeah, that's so great to know. And also, there's a small BL Quickie round. The name is BL Quickie. So we have few rapid fire questions. So
Okay,
also, okay, your first paycheck in life.
it was I think I was 16 or 17 where I was doing production for a stage. So I had to do backstage work, and it was for 2,000 rupees, and I was
Oh,
very
wow. That's a
yeah,
big amount.
I was very excited.
Yeah. Also, a success mantra, do's and don'ts.
See, I've come to learn that in life, uh, success is not all, it's not all dependent on you. And there's a lot
Hmm.
of destiny and other things. So I don't have any mantra. The mantra that I have learned for my mental health is stay true to yourself and don't do anything that makes you, that doesn't make you feel good.
Okay. So, here people have written in the comments that they just love your dimples. So, dimple आने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए? So, they have
I
actually.
was born with it, yaar. I was born, what to do? I just got lucky. Though actually, dimple is supposed to be a defect,
Yeah, but it's
a
a
birth
beauty.
defect.
Yeah.
So it's a very interesting story because my mother has told me this,
What?
that she was dying for a baby, a girl,
Hmm.
and a girl with a dimple. So she said she went to Vaishnu Devi, and you know how they climb barefoot,
Yeah,
and
I know.
yeah, and she prayed for, and she was like, I was such, she says, I didn't say, oh, give me a healthy child, intelligent child. Give me a girl and let her have a dimple. And give me a sign if it's going to be a girl. So
Hmm.
she said, कि वो फूल गिर गया उन पे, when she said,
So
is it going
funny.
to be a girl? And also I have a dimple.
So, you don't have a family history of having dimples?
Um, my bua has dimples.
Yeah, that's why. But yeah,
Uh,
it was because of Mata Rani and
my brother has dimples. Both of us have.
wow. Mamas have some other magic, now whatever they ask, they'll get. Definitely they'll get. So also your favorite travel destination, because we have seen all those videos on your Instagram and we even wish to go out and explore more. So what's your favorite and what would you suggest your fans to go? Which place?
See, it depends on what जो मुझे पसंद आए, maybe they won't like, you
Yeah.
know. But I've spent a lot of time in Scotland in the past year, and the Scottish Highlands and nature is just very, very beautiful, pristine, untouched, but ठंड बहुत है.
Yeah. So your fitness mantra?
I have learned that I don't like going to the gym. That God
That's
bless
fun.
people who can go every morning. So I like to do some movement every day, whether it's like walking for half an hour,
Mhm.
stretching, but some movement every day. And also, I've realized that what you put in your mouth makes a big difference, like food-wise,
Mm.
Cutting down on sugar really helps, and I'm addicted to sugar, so things like that.
All right. So is there any, night care routine do you follow on your skin just to make it look glowy? I've seen you drinking a lot of water, so that is one.
Um, I have to just I don't I'm very bad with removing my makeup, so I fall asleep easily. So I have to make sure that I
How
remove.
am I able to relate so much with you? Because last night I slept with makeup on my face.
I'm very lazy. So
Yeah.
the um um removing my makeup, cleansing properly, moisturizer, and then everyone's like, oh, put hyaluronic acid and retinol. I've been doing that.
Okay. So महंगी shopping or street shopping? Scotland तो
Mix.
महंगी.
हाँ, here तो मतलब पानी भी महंगा होता है. But I would say mix.
Okay. And who do you stalk on Instagram, or what kind of content do you consume?
It's a good question. Shit, when people ask you these questions, the answers go out of your head.
Mhm.
Then later it's
But
like, oh, I should have said this.
yeah.
It's very good. Should I go to my feed to see who's showing up on my feed? Then maybe I'll know.
Or any celebrity you follow or look up to for the styling tips and all.
I'm actually looking at my feed. Let's see.
So that is so unfiltered.
You know what? It's full of dogs because
Yeah.
I'm obsessed with dogs.
Yeah.
So this is my feed. Can you see?
Oh, that's an exclusive thing, I think. Super. Okay, so tips to survive in this competitive industry.
Yeah, people should give me tips. Even I don't know yet. But I think that putting yourself out there, taking
Yeah.
risks, and honoring yourself. And baki sab,
Bhagwan ji pe chhod dein. Right. So, okay, who has helped you make your industry journey be more enjoyable or supported you along the way?
it's been such a long journey
Yeah.
that there have been different people at different points. Um, that's what I would say. But the producers and directors in former shots, because we had different directors each season, and I was part of all 3 seasons.
Yeah.
Uh, they've been really supportive and encouraging. And there's something about like email, like bonding, coming
The
together.
girl gang.
Yeah. Richa, always
Hmm.
like when I've questioned life choices. Um, lately, Dia, because we've become good friends in the past 2 years. So these are just, it's hard to remember something from 10 years ago. And
Yeah.
also there have been ups and downs and different people coming in and out of life. So um,
Also, since you have been there in this industry and there are a lot of newcomers also, or kuch logo ki comeback bhi ho rahe hain, you might have seen all that. So do you think that still there's some kind of a favoritism, because is field mein you need talent and creativity, but still some people are being favored? Do you think
yeah.
that this happens?
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. I feel like it's a lot about who you know, who you're good friends with, the cliques you're in, वो सब है. और nepotism भी है ना, because if I was supposed to get into something that my parents and grandparents have been in, I
Yeah.
would find it easier. So there is all of that.
All right. So what are your OTT suggestions? What are you watching? What do you want what do you want fans to watch?
I just watched Mirzapur, which blew my mind. Just as in मतलब 2-3 हफ्ते हो गए हैं, but
Hmm.
that season, usually when there's a sequel, you feel let down,
Yeah.
but blew my mind. And what a cast! What a cast!
And what about FOMO shots? आगे कुछ बन रहा है?
I don't know
Can we
यार.
expect?
अगर बन रहा है तो मुझे नहीं पता.
All right. Any one message for your fans who are just like pouring
Thank
love?
you so much for supporting me, and I'm sending you all the love back.
All right, Amrita, I'm really hoping to see you in person, and thank you so much for your time and all the very best. And definitely, I'm going to share my reviews with you.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.